From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you there's a clock that can change the life of a loved one with dementia or Alzheimer's, and it's called the American Lifetime New 2026 Dementia Clock Large. This incredible product has been a game changer for many families, and I'm excited too. The American Lifetime Clock is built to last, with a durable material that can withstand daily use and accidental drops, giving you peace of mind knowing it will keep working. The large, clear display is easy to read, even in low light conditions, thanks to its high contrast feature, which makes it perfect for seniors who may struggle with vision. Setting up the clock is a breeze, with a simple and easy-to-read manual that guides you through the process, so you can have it up and running in no time. The customizable alarms are also a huge plus, allowing you to set reminders for important events, such as taking medication or appointments, and you can set up to 5 daily alarms. The auto-dimming feature is another clever touch, automatically adjusting the clock's brightness to match the ambient light in the room, making it easy to read whether it's day or night. This clock is extremely well reviewed and many customers have purchased and benefited from it, which is a testament to its effectiveness. I can imagine how helpful this clock would be in a real-life scenario, such as helping a senior remember to take their medication on time, or attend a doctor's appointment. The large display and clear alarms make it easy for them to stay on track, and the durable design ensures it will keep working even if it's accidentally dropped. This clock is better than others on the market because of its unique combination of features, which are specifically designed to meet the needs of seniors with dementia or Alzheimer's. Overall, the American Lifetime New 2026 Dementia Clock Large is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use clock that can make a real difference in. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.